Okay, so I have my presentation. So I'm going to name it practice. Well, I want to make that capitalized. Practice. Okay, so I think that's how you spell it. So, and then I'm going to go to my other bookmarks because I already saved it. Then I'm going to go to get colors for my image. And I want to go here and I'm going to choose what I want to do, and I'm going to choose what color I want. So I'm going to choose rose red.
Same one.
And then I'm going to enter. I'm going to see and I'm going to go to images, and I'm going to choose which one I want. I think I like that. So now I'm going to do 2 fingers and press down. Oops, what's going on? I might have to do there. Save image as. I'm gonna say save. So I made a new one. I'm gonna copy it to my clipboard, and then I want to go to get my colors. I want to choose my colors. So right here it says color code. You'll see that in a minute once I put it here. I'm gonna choose my file, and then I'm gonna show my image, and I'm gonna show you how to do that real quick. So I selected choose my file, and now I want to choose this one. I'm going to open it. And I want to show my image because if I had like a white spot, I wouldn't want like white. So I think I like that color. So I'm going to like hover over it, press down on my mouse, and go over the whole thing. So then I'm going to hit Control C. I'm going to go back to my presentation. Whoops. So I have to go back here, I guess. So I want to delete this. I'm going to hover over it, and I'm going to wait until it's finished loading. So I'm going to press it, backspace, and it's kind of like, well, it's not really like anything, but then I'm going to go to my background because I want to change my background. I don't want to keep it white. White is just a boring color. So I'm going to hit Control V, and then this is the color that I chose from Get My Colors from Image. And so it looks like it's over here, but this is kind of like from the rose. So it's kind of cool because it like actually knows the code. So this is the color from the rose. And I'm going to rename this real quick. Practice. Okay, so I think that's how you spell practice. I said that again. And then I'm going to go back to rose red. I'm going to double click it again. It keeps going to Amazon. I'm going to click. Stop it. I'm going to press down. Oops, I'm up there. And then I'm going to save my image. Save. And I'm going to copy to clipboard, go to my practice presentation, and I'm going to press down again. I'm going to paste, and here's my picture. I might want to make it a little bit bigger, maybe just to the top. Maybe maybe to the top. There. And I might want to make it a little bit like that. Oops, I want to move this down. I think I want to move it like over here. I might want to make it like so, and then I want to bring it down a little bit. Like that. And then I want to make it a little bit smaller. So I can like fit my words down here. And for my words, I might want to, I'm going to press, I think it's insert, press word art, and then you're going to type in what you want to do. So here it's going to be, I'm going to type in rose red. Let's just say that. Rose red. So, or pretty rose red color. Pretty, got to make that capitalized. There. Pretty rose red color. Well, I want to make that capitalized, don't I? Color. So I have that, and I want to hit enter. It's going to appear up anytime soon. Yep, right there. I want to put it at the bottom. And right now, as you can see, it's a little bit too big. Okay, fine. It's a lot big. But I want to pull this down. And I want to bring this up. Doesn't want to work with me, does it? So I want to bring this down. There, that's a lot better. So I have it clicked on there. Let's just say I want to make this, what color do I want to make it? But I want to go over here. So I'm going to pick a darker color. Let's say that. Well, that's too dark a little bit. That's a lot better. So we're going to go back to our practice. And we're going to click on there. We're going to go to our line color. Well, yeah, our line color. We want to customize. And we want to say, well, we might want to make it a little bit darker than it was. Right there. Okay, so that's like my line. I want to make it a little bit darker. Oops, I accidentally got my rose, so I gotta click on that. And now I want to customize a new one. That stinks. Aww. So I'm going to Control V. Oops, Control V. I think it was like maybe that color. I thought it was in the D's. Oh, cancel. I'm gonna go back, and so I want to copy that again. Oops. Copy that. I'm gonna Control C. Go back to my practice presentation, and since I did that, I'm gonna go back to my lines, and I'm gonna customize a new one. And this, I'm gonna hit Control V. Last time it didn't work. I'm going to hit OK. And since, if you can see a little bit, it's a little bit that color. So I want to make my lines a little bit thicker. Say 8, just like that. And then I want to fill it in. Let's do that. Ooh. Maybe I should switch. There. And then that one would be that. I can't really see it. Okay, but I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to paste, and on the back, I'm going to make this one black. I'm going to make the middle black, and then as you can see, I'm going to click on the front one. I'm going to make it look like it's kind of like 3D. Kind of like that. So that's good. And then I want to hit the front, shift, hit the back, and then I want to go to arrange, and I'm going to group it. And so now it'll move with all of that. And that is how I made my cool rose red presentation.